Okay, hello, I'm Eric. I didn't cover relativity very well or very in depth, so I'm giving this to augment that. Here we have, if you can see, two observers, both on their own separate moving sidewalks. One moving in the negative x direction, the other moving in the positive x direction. The observer on the positive x direction moving sidewalk is standing still on their sidewalk, moving at a speed of, we'll give it a value to say 5 meters per second. This is the observer. Now, the person they are observing on the opposite moving sidewalk is moving at their rate in the opposite direction at their own 5 meters per second, but there's somebody walking on it as well who's walking at 2 meters per second. So we could essentially say that 5 meters per second is aiding that person walking on that moving sidewalk at 2 meters per second. So we'll say that. Passenger, we'll call him. Five meters per second for the moving sidewalk plus their 2 meters per second of what they're walking. 7 meters per second. Okay? Now, how fast does the observer view this passenger walking? Here's how we'll accomplish that. So we'll say that we'll consider that passenger's rate of speed at 7 meters per second. And we will subtract the observer's speed. Subtract it from the observer's speed, but the observer is going in the opposite direction. So it is negative the passenger. Negative 5 meters per second. And you end up with 7 minus a negative 5, which is 7 plus 5, will give you the rate at which the observer is viewing the passenger going at 12 meters per second. Let's change this around and put this all in one YouTube video to say that now the observer is viewing somebody walking on a parallel and going in the same direction moving sidewalk. This time the observer is standing still, and the other passenger is moving at 2 meters per second while their moving sidewalk is moving at a steady 5 meters per second still. This no longer applies. We can keep this, okay? But instead, this time, we'll say, considering the passenger's speed minus the observer's speed, while they are both going in the same direction, we'll say that we have a 7 meters per second, which is what the passenger is moving at, 5 plus 2, minus the observer's speed at 5 meters per second, which they're going in the same direction now, so we do not have to change the sign of the observer, and you'll have the observer viewing the other passenger moving at the 2 meters per second. Thank you, and email me if you have any problems.